If you give me just 60 seconds, I can show you how to build a weekly cash flow forecast that goes out up to 5 years, and all you need is a QuickBooks Online account. First things first, let's connect with QuickBooks. Now that we have our data connected into Clockwork, we see it's already built out a dashboard for us. We have our Clockwork score, a financial model, as well as a cash flow forecast. And all of this is based on the past 3 years of our business's performance, including that transaction level history. To dial it in even further, we can go into our financial model. Next, I'll simply add in my sales pipeline and, of course, my headcount plan. Now that our financial model is completely built out, we can go ahead into our upcoming and overdue invoices and bills to make sure we get everything dialed into a T. We can go ahead and edit our invoices and return to our cash flow. And that's how you build a cash flow forecast customized to your business in under 60 seconds.